The theme of the Sagarmatha Sambad this year is climate change, mountains, and the future of humanity. As a country of fragile mountain ecosystems, Nepal is already facing the full force of climate change. The absence of honest dialogue and concerted global actions not only puts our environment at heightened risk, but also greatly imperils the future of humanity itself. So that's why I'm doubly pleased to learn about the program which has been going on for almost a decade on these very issues, and the fact that through this program we are not only promoting a gender responsive budget but also a climate budget, because I think these two variables is what is determining the lives of millions of people, not only in Nepal but all over the world now. We aim to contribute meaningfully to the global climate discourse by facilitating dialogue among all stakeholders, and inputs such as the one that will be provided from this 10-year-old long project will really help us to be not only stuck on theory, but also to look at the practical outcomes of what is happening. The Sagarmatha Sambad will bring together policymakers, practitioners, academia, the media, and civil society from around the world to discuss the issue of climate change with a special focus on the mountain regions. We hope that the dialogue, which is being hosted in a country that is among the most acutely affected by climate change, will strongly resonate with the theme and act as a catalyst for meaningful global climate action. I'm pleased to note that this workshop, being organized as a precursor to the Sagarmatha Sambad, stands as a testament to the strong and fruitful collaboration between the Government of Nepal and APDC.